Hi, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to share a recipe close to my heart. It's called Era Sadam, which means prawn rice in Tamil. This delicious prawn pulav is something I learned from my Tamilian friend, and it soon became a favorite in my home, especially my son who loves it a lot. The juicy prawns seasoned with the aromatic spices, coated with the egg and the perfectly cooked rice makes it irresistible. If you are a seafood lover, I am sure you'll fall in love with it. Come on, let's get cooking. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. I've kept everything ready. So here I have the ghee and oil. I've already soaked the basmati rice for 30 minutes, some coriander leaves, tomatoes, onions, ginger and garlic. You can see I've chopped them very fine. I have the prawns cleaned and deveined, some spice powders and the whole spices. I have kept ready the spider spoon and my Pav Bhaji smasher ready to help me in cooking. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a cooking vessel and fry the whole garam masalas, 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 3-inch cinnamon, 2 bay leaves and fry them for a minute until fragrant. Next we'll sort the chopped ingredients, 3 medium onions, 2 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger and 2 tomatoes. You can also add mustard and curry leaves here, but I have not added, so it's optional. Make sure everything is finely chopped. This helps in blending the flavors well. Using a Pav Bhaji smasher, which helps you to press and mash the sorted ingredients gently until they soften and release their juices. Let's add the spices. Here I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next I will add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So in case you want it more spicy, you can add more chili powder. Next I'll add the fennel powder. I have taken 2.5 teaspoons of fennel powder. Next 2.5 teaspoons of pepper powder. So here I am not adding all the pepper powder at once. I'll add the remaining pepper powder after adding the eggs. Give a good mix and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Use your Pav Bhaji smasher here. This technique not only helps to blend the masalas evenly but also intensifies the flavor, giving it that beautiful thick base which coats the rice and the prawns perfectly. Add in salt to taste. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my channel for the updates. Time to add our fresh, cleaned and deveined prawns. If you want to learn how to clean the prawns, do check the link in the description box for a detailed video on cleaning and deveining the prawns. Let the prawns cook well and absorb all the flavors. Once you feel the prawns are cooked, crack 4 eggs in a bowl, gently whisk them and pour the mixture over the prawn masala. Gently scramble the prawns and you will see a beautiful egg coating on the prawns. You would have tried different prawn biryani and pulav recipes, but don't miss out on trying this recipe. It's simply amazing. I'm sure your family will love this. Now it's time to add the pepper powder that I had reserved earlier. Add in the powder and gently mix the prawn masala. I always prepare the masala first and then the rice because the rice needs to be mixed when it is hot so that the rice absorbs the flavors well. Meanwhile, I have kept 4 to 5 liters of water for boiling to cook my rice, and now I am adding the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, stone flower, kapok bud. You can add any whole spices that you have in your home. Also add 3 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil to give a good texture to your rice. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice. You can use any rice here. I have used basmati rice. So I always soak the rice 30 minutes before cooking it. Cook the basmati rice until about 95% done. Checking on the doneness of the rice is very important. The rice shouldn't overcook or it shouldn't be sticky. It will spoil the entire texture of the biryani. So be careful and follow all the steps that I am saying. So use a spider spoon. The spider spoon is easy because it drains off all the water completely so that your rice doesn't become sticky. And secondly, it becomes easy to transfer the rice directly to the vessel where you have kept the masala ready. Gently mix in the rice and the prawn masala. Here I am using a silicone spatula so that the rice does not break. Since the rice is hot, do not mix in all the rice at once. Do the mixing in portions. I hope you are enjoying watching these videos. Please do write to me in comment your views about this recipe. I would be glad to hear from you. Once you're done with the mixing, drizzle some ghee on top and also add some chopped coriander leaves for a final finish. Once you're done with everything, cover the vessel with a tight lid, and if you feel the lid is loose, you can cover the lid with a cloth and then cover it on the vessel. Then keep some weight on the vessel so that you don't lose on any flavor or the aroma of this dish. Hope you have noted all the tips that I have mentioned during the video, and there you go, a fragrant, flavorful Tamil style prawn pulav or era sadam is ready to serve. You can just see the texture of the biryani. The rice grains are separated and it's not sticking. Also, the egg has coated the rice and the prawns beautifully. So don't wait. Just go grab those fresh prawns from the market and try this recipe. Thank you so much friends for joining me in kitchen today. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Bye bye.